What's going on, guys? It's Isaac. Today I'm going to be working on my 68 Biscayne. I'm going to do a little bit of a walk around to give you all a better view of the car, and then I'm going to get to pulling the windshield out and trying to fix a lot of the rust that's around the windshield, because I don't want to be driving 3,000 miles with it raining on me inside the car. So anyhow, here it is. 68 Chevy Biscayne. Same thing as the Impala, the Bel Air, and apparently the Caprice. They had a Caprice like this. So, the car is definitely not a cream puff. It has had some sort of damage. Maybe they hit a pole or a car. Kind of looks like a pole. Someone decided they'd fill in some rust holes with some Bondo without fixing the rust. Oh, I love my little surf mouse up here. The inside is pretty poor. The dash is cracked. Headliner's missing. The seats are out of a 87 Oldsmobile Cutlass. You can see a hole in the floorboard on the passenger side. The power plant is tiny. 250 inline 6. Points distributor, 1 barrel carburetor. You can near about get under the hood of this car on both sides and stand on the ground while working on the engine. So it has a lot of damage around the windshield. I believe this car was a vinyl top car. Now it's time to remove the windshield. So it's a good thing, well, there is no good thing. Well, The good thing is I only paid $175 for this car more than 15 years ago. But I knew it was in bad shape, but oh my God, it's in bad shape. But that's not going to stop me from driving it on the Power Tour. I'm still going to do it, but I need to keep from the windshield leaking all over the place. So I'm going to do the best I can. It is bad, guys. It is so bad. It just keeps getting worse and worse the more I work on it. I don't know who did this work to this car, but it is the worst I have ever seen. But I'm still gonna take it. Still gonna take it. I'll do my best to do whatever repairs I need done. Really, truthfully, this thing's gonna need some new A-pillars, new dash, new firewall, and it's not even a desirable car. So I'm gonna keep trucking along. Do the best I can. So I'm gonna start welding up some of these pinholes. Just kind of work my way around the windshield. I'll save the best for last. Be fine, right? So I'm cleaning all this, I'm cleaning all of this rust out, cutting it out, cleaning it up, and I've got a nice piece of metal right here that I'm going to chop up and use for patches. So I reckon that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed what little bit of video I had here, give it a thumbs up. There will be more updates on this car real soon, but I got a part 2 of a bike. No, that's already going. So there will be plenty more of these updates coming soon, so keep an eye out for it, and I'll catch y'all later.